Hello, my name is Arnita Ganguly. I'm the captain of ASME KIIT, the student chapter of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Projects, it ranges from research and development to very hands-on built vehicles. So we have three projects going on currently. One is the Human Powered Vehicle Challenge project, and along with that is the project that went for FE-Cycle in the year of 2022. And the third project, which is actually our flagship project, is the electric bike, which is in fact the first electric bike made in the college as well as I think in the whole state. So that won us the cost evaluation award as well last season. We've built the vehicles, yes, but the foundation of it all, I would like to say that KIIT has laid it all for us. The department giving us the space, the opportunity and all the tools that we need. I mean, if you take a look in the room, there are a lot of things, it's filled with a lot of wonders, and along with that, like every faculty, they try and help us as much as they can, you know, with theories, with simulations, with a lot of testing, because creating these vehicles, they don't come easy, and there are a lot of calculations, a lot of testing that we have to do, and KIIT has actually given us all that together on a plate.